Hi everyone, Jeff here and welcome back to the channel. Hey, I hope you're having a great Saturday morning here. I wanted to just take a few minutes just to show you a quickie here on the Home Depot deal of the day. So if you go to their website here and you look here on their special buy of the day here, there was one item here that kind of caught my eye because there was part of it here was I didn't know that Milwaukee actually made this particular product here. But anyway, let's take a look at this deal a little closer here. So this is a 2-pack here that they're giving you. What they're offering here for you is this M18 lithium-ion cordless switch tank. This is the sprayer here. So this is the part of the deal that I didn't know that Milwaukee had made. You know, every once in a while a product gets by you that you weren't aware of. But what they've got going on here is if you buy this, this is the brushless fuel quick lock string grass trimmer here. This is the combo kit. So if you buy this combo kit here for $349, they're giving you this this quick tank change here. What I like about this switch tank is you can be using one chemical 1 second and switch to another tank and boom, using another chemical next. So this is a cool little product here. Okay, so I wanted to point this out here to you. So here you can see Home Depot is also running this instant savings on the M18 fuels on their outdoor tools here. So on certain tools here, if you buy 2 tools, you can get $50 off. And if you buy 3 tools, you'll get $100 off. So they have other kits available here. So what I wanted to show you is really right here, quickly here. So they've sort of taken this same trimmer here and they've matched it up with other products as well here. So here you can see they have the blower, but not all of these are going to be special buys. So you want to check on them, and you always want to double check the pricing on each one of the different tools that are associated with them. Sometimes when you see that plus, you are getting a good deal. Sometimes maybe not so much. So anyway, if we look at the price here of this trimmer, we can see here that normally Home Depot sells it for $229 by itself. This is the tool only. And getting back to the deal here, you can see here, I have it highlighted for you. Remember, this is the tool only kit. There's no batteries and no chargers included right here in the kit. See how it says it right there? So don't look at this and think, oh, I'm getting batteries. You're just getting tools. That's it. And so if you're curious as to how much Home Depot normally sells this switch tank backpack pesticide sprayer for, it goes for $299 normally. So looking back at the sale price here, my math jives with that $528 price that they're showing here. So they are giving you 34% off of their normal price. But what I want to do is bounce this off of Amazon and just see as a sanity check here. Okay, so looking over here on Amazon, there's our backpack tool there. So they're getting full price for it right now, $294. Okay, and then also here on Amazon, here's our, no, that's not it. That's with the battery. Here's our tool here. So they're selling it for $199 on Amazon. So coming back over here and looking at the deal of the day sale price here is actually not too bad. Oh, and before I forget, the other reason I wanted to upload this quick video today was to let you know about our premiere tonight. So if you go to my homepage here on YouTube and click on the videos tab, you'll see our latest video that we've uploaded, but it's not ready to view yet. That's why you see the word premiere. So it premieres tonight at 8 p.m. and you're all welcome to come and check it out, and make sure you set the reminder there so that you know, and it'll remind you when about 30 minutes ahead of time. But this is a video you don't want to miss. This is a great tool review video. This is probably one of the most exhaustive tool review videos I've done yet. And it's the DeWalt cordless job site fan. So what we are doing here is we did a full, huge tool review of this DeWalt fan, and we ran it through a battery of tests, pun intended, where we did everything from drop testing from different heights. We sprayed water on it. We ran battery life tests on it to determine how long it lasts on the batteries, and we're doing We're doing wind speed and CFM measurements on it and everything. So this is one that you'll definitely love. This one, you don't want to miss this one. So you want to come back tonight for this. And here I'll give you a quick sample of it. So this was the intro here, showing some of the tests that we were running on the fan here. So make sure you come back and check this one out. Chime in with us at 8 p.m. If you tune in for this premiere, you see over to the right-hand side here is the chat window, and this is where you can chat with us live during the premiere of this video. So we hope to see you back here again tonight at 8 p.m. So as we can see here, for today only, the price on Home Depot's website is $349, whereas if you were to buy both of these tools on Amazon today, you would pay $500. Now so at least for today only, Home Depot is knocking it out of the park and eating Amazon's lunch. But guess what? If you don't act today and you wait until tomorrow, it's going to be back to neck and neck again. They'll be the exact same price pretty much on both sides. Yeah, maybe about $20 cheaper tomorrow. So if you wait till tomorrow, you'll pay more money, but it will be about $28 cheaper on Amazon.com if you bought it over there. Okay, then if you look here, you'll see some other special buys where you're saving anywhere up to 30% or so for different items here around the yard. And by the way, I also wanted to remind you folks that if you haven't checked out our other channel here, carbuyingtips.com, we've been starting to port over a lot of videos based on all of the guides that we've had on our site. But yeah, since 1999, our team of consumer advocates has been both protecting and educating all of you car buyers out there. And these are some of our better videos here. So if you come here to our homepage here on YouTube, you will see we have videos like this one here that deals with car scams and the dealer ripoff fees. And we also have a lot of different how-to. So in particular, I wanted to draw your attention to a very important video that we uploaded on carbuyingtips.com's YouTube channel last week. And it's this one right here. So if you go to our videos tab here, see, and you'll see it puts them in order. So it's the last one here that we just uploaded last week. So this one here, so this is the video here. So we're showing you here, we are showing you the 2 tips that you must do before you buy a used car. So if you know anybody who is in the market for buying a used car, you better have them come check out this video here, or they're going to find themselves in big trouble. Because I can tell you, for 20 years of us running our website over there, that if people who ignored our advice, so people who buy cars that have been flooded, how do you know that it's been flooded or not? So we show you all about that, how to run these checks to prevent buying a lemon. And we're going to be uploading a whole series of more of these car care product reviews, but also how-tos that are in-depth, very well filmed and produced on cleaning your cars and waxing. And I don't mean just pulling out a bucket with dish detergent. We're going to show you very specialized products that help you get the job done right. So anyway, make sure you come over and check out our Car Buying Tips channel too, and make sure you are subscribed as well. Well, I certainly hope you're finding this video useful so far, and if you are, hey, do us a favor, please. Would you give us a thumbs up down below? Just click on that thumbs up button that tells us that you like us. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, hey, why not, man? Take a look at our videos tab and you'll see all of the useful videos we have in multiple categories. So please do yourself a favor here. Click on that subscribe button down below, and right after you do that, click on that little gray bell icon. That tells YouTube to alert you every time we upload a video or whenever we go live and do a live stream on site. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we will see you on the next one.